Today we will be testing a Forex day trading strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a Forex day trading strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 493 different strategies. The best one so far was able to achieve a 100% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator to trade the crypto scalping strategy that I'll mention in this video on a live trading account. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a Forex day trading strategy. And so the source video says, stupid, easy, quick profit, my simple trading secret. First of all, call me childish, but I don't love the word stupid. And so putting that in the source video title, I feel like might be actually a little bit childish. It just sounds a little cringy to me. But nonetheless, we'll put this strategy to the test and see what we can get out of it. And so what we'll do is just hide the two indicators we have on screen. And the first indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the black flag FTS indicator. This is the swing arm indicator. It's also what it's known as, and it's this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen, and we'll jump into the settings. And what we'll do is under the inputs, we are going to change the ATR period to 9, the ATR factor to 5. We're going to uncheck this show fibs entry. Jump into the styles. We're going to uncheck every selection in here except for this very first plots background, and then go in and bump up the opacity to, well, whatever you want. I did 70%, but you can make it however you wish. Then click OK. The next indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the 10 in 1 different moving averages. This one right here. Go ahead and click on that one and add it to the screen. And again, we'll jump into the settings. And so what you'll do is the first selection right here, the MA1, keep it on EMA and keep it on 200 period. And you can make it whatever color you wish. It was on red on default, so that's what I left it on. The MA2, you're going to turn that one on and change it to an HMA and a 300 period. And again, you can make this color whatever you wish. Then jump into the styles, and what I did was I just bumped up the line weight of the red 200 period EMA just so that way it stands out from the HMA, and then click OK. And so what we're looking for a short trade is we're looking for when the orange HMA line is below the red EMA. And then what we're looking for is we are looking for price to pull back into the red black flag cloud like this here, and we are looking for price to then break out to the downside, and when it does that, we want price to also be below both the moving averages like it is here, and that'll be our signal to then enter into a short. And so we'll put our trade right here. We'll put our stop just right above the black flag cloud right here, and we are going to target a 1 to 2 risk reward just like so. Let's play this forward and see how it plays out. And you can see that we kind of bounce around there for a moment, then we make this nice push to the downside, getting us to our take profit. And for a long trade, what we are looking for is we are looking for when the orange HMA is above the red EMA, like it is here. We're looking for price to pull back into or to touch the green black flag cloud like here. And then we're looking for it to break back above and close above, and also close above both the moving averages like it does here. And so that'll be our signal to then enter into a long. We'll put our trade right here. We're going to put our stop at the bottom of the black flag cloud and target the 1 to 2 risk reward just like before. Let's go ahead and play this one forward and see how it plays out. Alright, this one takes just a little bit longer. We just kind of push, pull back, and then make another push, getting us to our take profit once again. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend that you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far. It's been able to achieve in the high 80% win rate, and coupled with the position management strategy that I'm teaching all the patrons, skyrockets the win rate to the high 90%, consistently around 99% over hundreds of trades. You can click the link up in the corner now. It'll take you to that video on the strategy. I'll also put a thumbnail of that video up on screen now, and I will link to that same video at the end of this video. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on the strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do, and out of those 50 trades, we had 25 winning trades and 25 losing trades. It's going to put us at a 50% win rate. With the 1 to 2 risk reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $15,000. On the losing side, you'd have been risking $300 per losing trade. Your total loss would have been $7,500 for an overall gain of $7,500. And so not too bad of results. Now that was over about 6 months, and so when you consider that, it's also not great, not a great return over about a half a year worth of trading, but also not horrible. But during the same period of time, we did 29 trades with the Academy of Forex Indicator. We had an 81% win rate, and the total gain with the position management strategy is right around $14,000, and so definitely better results. You can get a free trial access to the Academy of Forex Indicator when you sign up for a Patreon down below, and $15 a month maintains access to the indicator after the trial plus your Patreon status. We will also teach you a position management strategy that will skyrocket the win rate of the Academy of Forex Indicator to the high 90%, and show you how to get access to a crypto broker that will give you over 100 times leverage on the account with no ID requirements, almost wherever you are in the world, all but guaranteeing that you will be successfully trading with our systems within an hour. We've also developed an additional crypto scalping strategy, and coupled with our position management strategy we teach all the patrons, was able to achieve over 200 winning trades in a row in back testing and dozens of winning trades in a row in live testing. To view that video, click the link up in the corner now. It'll look like a little circle with an eye in it. Click on that eye, it'll take you down to 2 thumbnails, and click the thumbnail that you see on screen now. Alright, that's it for this strategy here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the yes list, and we'll move on to the next video from here.